Hi, Shraddha. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, Dr. Nikita.
How are you?
Very well. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. It's really nice to connect with you on this podcast. I'm super excited about it.
Same here. Same here.
Okay, so let's start. Um, Let me start with asking you, how did you get onto the field of nutrition and how did your journey begin?
It started very early in my life. I've always been an overweight child. So, when I was young, I would try different things to actually lose weight. I've tried multiple diets, but then what happened was the weight always kept coming back. So then, when I was in 8th standard, I decided I'm not going to fall prey to all these things. I want to learn authentic nutrition myself and help people like me who are struggling to lose weight the right way. So, very early in my life, I decided what I wanted to do. And being a college gold medalist, I had the option to choose any field, but I was determined I wanted to get into nutrition. So, that's where my journey started. I did my clinical dietetics and went on to study masters in food science and nutrition, and also studied sports nutrition eventually. So, yes, my journey and my inspiration started with myself.
Wow, that's lovely. I'm sure once the podcast is done, a lot of people would get a lot of motivation after listening to this. So that's super nice and exciting. Do you want to tell me what did you have for breakfast today? Without lying.
So, my breakfast currently, I today morning I had a cup of black coffee, um, a pear, and a few dry fruits.
Wow. Yeah. Are you sure this is an honest answer?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. All right. So Shada, do you want to tell us currently what FEC, what Fit Educate is all about, and what is your role in Fit Edu?
Thank you for asking this question. Whenever I have to describe FEC, I am super excited. So, yes, Fit Edu Coach started with understanding that there's a gap in the fitness industry, a major gap of skilled manpower. So, being in the field of fitness, we realize that a lot of gyms have opened up, especially after COVID, right? Every nook and corner, you'll see a gym opening. But the problem with this is that people now understand that fitness is not a luxury anymore. It's become a necessity. But the kind of gyms with a proportionate amount of certified trainers, there's an imbalance there. So we realize there's a gap in the industry and somebody has to take charge of it. That's where Fit Edu Coach, started. We realized that we need to provide back to the industry. What do we have to provide? Skilled manpower. When we talk about manpower in the fitness industry, it's trainers, certified skilled trainers, and skilled salespeople. So at Fit EduCoach, we aim to provide certified people who can work in the gym industry and ensure that proper knowledge is going to the clients there. As far as my role is concerned, I have been in the fitness education field for 15 years, and this is what I love doing. I love education. I love when my students, sit for the class, they enjoy the class, and I help them with the placement. So that's exactly, in very simple terms, what I do at Fit Edu Coach. So I am the education and student success lead at Fit Edu Coach. And I'm so happy to share that our students are enjoying their classes. The kind of education we provided Fit Edu Coach is far superior than any other fitness education course available in the market today. So, yes, that's exactly what I do. And I ensure that my students keep getting the best of fitness education knowledge from us.
Wow. I think that's really, really nice. I think it's very, very important to have student satisfaction at the end of completion. And I think Fidelity Coach is thriving, and I think Fidelity Coach is doing that. And good job at that. And congratulations to the entire team on that.
Thank you so much.
The next thing, Shraddha, I would like to know from you is Fit Edu Coach is launching a course on nutrition. And I would like to know what was the idea behind this? What was the reason to come up with a nutrition course? And why is it very important for certified trainers to have the right knowledge on nutrition?
Absolutely. So, like I said, 15 years in the fitness and education industry, I've seen a lot of these short courses on nutrition and people actually studying them. But once they're passed out, they still do not have enough authentic nutrition knowledge. So I thought this is the time when people from the nutrition fraternity should come ahead and actually develop a course for trainers. See, as a trainer is supposed to give that. Sorry, as a trainer is supposed to develop and design workout plans. But people in India, people don't really understand the importance of a nutritionist per se. They do not want to invest separately for a nutrition plan. So they will always go back to the trainer and ask him, मुझे क्या खाना है? अब क्या खाना है? Trainer has very little knowledge of what a client is supposed to eat. तो वो क्या बताएगा अपने client को उसको क्या खाना है, right? So whatever he thinks is correct, he will pass on that knowledge to his client, right? So half knowledge is dangerous. And hence I thought, let me take this step of developing along with my entire team to develop a nutrition course, specially for trainers, so that they have enough knowledge to actually pass this on to their clients. So ये कोर्स इसीलिए बना है कि ट्रेनर्स अंडरस्टैंड करे ऑथेंटिक न्यूट्रिशन को और उनके क्लाइंट्स को बताए. बिकॉज अगर क्लाइंट्स को आप गलत एडवाइस दोगे, क्योंकि देखो हर बॉडी अलग है, जो मुझे काम किया वो आपको काम करेगा जरूरी नहीं है. इवन तो हमारा गोल सेम है, हमारा वेट सेम होगा, बट मेरा बॉडी अलग काम करता है, फिजियोलॉजी अलग है हर बॉडी का, राइट? सो ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है. यू कैन नॉट कॉपी पेस्ट द सेम मील प्लान फॉर 2 different people, right? So the need to develop this course was utmost important, and we have invested months together to come up with this course, and finally we are ready to launch this. And I am looking forward कि जो भी ट्रेनर है जिसको नॉलेज चाहिए न्यूट्रिशन का, प्रॉपर ऑथेंटिक नॉलेज चाहिए, वो ये कोर्स करके बहुत बेनिफिट करेंगे एंड इवेंचुअली उनके क्लाइंट्स बेनिफिट करेंगे.
Wow, I think that sounds super promising and very exciting as well. Now, what I like the most, about the thing that you said about launching the nutrition course is it's custom made, keeping in mind different goals, different fitness goals, different populations, right? Would you like to run us through the different modules or the different course content that is a part of this nutrition course as well?
Sure. So we have kept this course very very precise. जहाँ पे 100 hours का course है, 2 months का course रहेगा. We have tried to cover all aspects of fitness nutrition. Okay, so the course is divided into 3 different modules. So we start with the first module where the trainer or the student is going to learn about the basics of sports nutrition. Okay, so nutrients, macronutrients, micronutrients, what is good nutrition. Okay, then goes on after that we take them through the second module where applied nutrition is concerned. Okay, so all the possible supplements available today, we are going to cover all of them very extensively. We are also going to teach them about weight gain, okay, weight loss, how weight management happens, okay, meal planning. Okay, we are the only course who are actually going to teach them a lot of calculations. Okay, when it comes to BMR. Okay, generally what we do is, आपको अगर पता करना है तो आप मशीन पे चले जाओ, मशीन से रिजल्ट मिल जाएगा, उसमें से 500 कैलोरी कम करो, आपका कैलोरी इनटेक मिल गया दिन का. We do that's a very generalized way. If you say आपको टेलर में डाइट बनाना है किसी के लिए, तो इस तरह से नहीं बन सकता. एंड व्हाट इफ यू आर इन अ रिमोट लोकेशन, ओके, जहाँ पे ये मशीन अवेलेबल नहीं है आपके जिम में, तो आप कैसे करोगे? सो हमने सारे कैलकुलेशंस डेवलप किए हैं जो एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट क्लास में बैठ के कैलकुलेटर पे कैलकुलेट करके requirement देखेंगे. So it's very important to understand कैलोरी इनपुट, कैलोरी आउटपुट, कैलोरी सरप्लस. ये चीजें बहुत कॉमन है. मैक्रो कैलकुलेशन. अब ये सब कैसे करना है ऑथेंटिक वे से, एक्चुअल में कैसे होता है फ्लोर पे, ओके, टीडीई कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, ऑल ऑफ दिस इन डिटेल इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू कवर इन दिस कोर्स. इट्स गोइंग टू बी एक्सटेंसिव, इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड द लास्ट मॉड्यूल वी आर एक्चुअली गोइंग टू कवर case studies, project works. Okay, they are actually going to plan meals for people. We are going to cover a very interesting topic here, and I would like to touch a little bit on that, which is fat diets. And fat diets मतलब आजकल आप देखोगे बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरीके के डाइट मार्केट में है ना. सो ये कौन से डाइट्स है और क्या ये डाइट आपको फॉलो करना चाहिए, किसके लिए अच्छा है, किसके लिए नहीं है, उसके क्या साइड इफेक्ट्स है. सो कल उठ के अगर क्लाइंट बोलता है कि मुझे ये डाइट करने दो, विच एवर दैट डाइट इज, एज अ ट्रेनर, एज अ फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट, आपको पता होना चाहिए ये डाइट का फायदा क्या है और नुकसान क्या है. अगर उनको मेडिकल कंडीशन है तो क्या वो कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते, कितने टाइम तक कर सकते हैं, ऑल ऑफ दैट वेरी साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन एविडेंस के साथ हम सिखाने वाले हैं हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को.
Wow, wow. I think this sounds exciting. And you know what is the best part about it? I think you kept stressing on the part scientific backed, scientific based, and I think that is the need of the hour. There are a lot of nutrition courses available in the industry, right? But finding an authentic course which focuses on scientific based training is very important. And I love the thing that your course also focuses on practical application. So it's not only the boring theory जहाँ पे हम लोग सिर्फ सिखा रहे हैं, but there's also practical application where the student will learn how to do the calculations. He can use the same thing on himself, on his family. So I love the part where the course is not only theory based, but there is enough of practical application so that he's confident enough to, use this on his clients, on his, etc., on his family members, etc.
So, what we've realized, like I just mentioned some time back, clients need to know what I'm supposed to eat. Simple question है, मैं ये वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ, मुझे इसके साथ क्या खाना है. ओके, सो अगर आप ये बोलते हो मुझे नहीं पता एज अ ट्रेनर, क्लाइंट किसी और के पास जाएगा. सो दिस इज मोर अर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द ट्रेनर, जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ वर्कआउट प्लान्स नहीं दे रहे हो, आप न्यूट्रिशन गाइडेंस दे सकते हो. बट एक चीज ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है कि यहाँ पे फिटनेस रिलेटेड न्यूट्रिशन हम बता रहे हैं. You still cannot advise people who have medical conditions, किसी को diets आप प्रॉपरली, अगर किसी को मेटाबॉलिक कंडीशंस है, मेडिकल कंडीशंस है, प्लीज आप नहीं दे पाओगे. यहाँ पे हम आपको इतना बताने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि आप फिटनेस रिलेटेड गोल्स को कैसे हैंडल कर सकते हो. सो प्लीज डू नॉट मिसअंडरस्टैंड दैट वी आर मेकिंग यू अ डाइटिशियन और अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट एट द एंड ऑफ दिस कोर्स. It's extremely important to understand that we are here to help you become a better trainer. So yes, that's what our aim is.
Thanks, Shraddha, for sharing, in detail. I'm sure there'll be a lot of people who would now want to get certified as a nutritionist, who would like to do the nutrition course with Fit Edu Coach. And I'm sure it has created a lot of curiosity among, our alumni, among all our students, among everyone. Would you like to tell us, how, if let's say somebody wants to get themselves, they want to do this course, how can they get in touch with Fit Edu Coach? What is the best method?
Okay, so we have our Instagram page, we have our website, and the numbers given below. So anybody who's interested in learning the sports from us, please reach out to us through any of these mediums. We will immediately give a call back to you and we will get in touch with you.
Yeah, that sounds okay. Sounds easy.
Yes, or you know us, right? So Dr. Nikita, myself, we have our Insta handles. You can also DM us. We will ensure that our team reaches out to you as soon as possible to give you the information for this course.
Thanks, Shraddha. I'm sure that is super helpful to everybody who wants to get in touch with Fit Edu Coach. Let's move on to the last part of the podcast where, I would like to ask you a few quick, funny, rapid fire questions, and you do not get time to think. You just have to answer it within a second or two, and just 2 or 3 words. Okay, so are you ready?
Yeah, I wasn't prepared for this, but then yeah, let's try.
That's the whole purpose of it. It's rapid fire, right? Okay, so let's go. Let's go for it. The first thing that I want to know is what is the weirdest food combinations you have heard about?
Oh God, so many today. If you see, Instagram is full of all these weird combinations, right? You have, ice cream pakoras. You have Maggies in different form. Oh God, I can't even start with all that. It's just, um, yeah, it's weird.
Sounds scary as well. Yeah. Okay. The next thing that I would add, that the next thing that I would like to ask you is, what is your guilty pleasure when it comes to food?
Oh, I love chocolates. I can actually have chocolates. So then I find a way around, right? I have dark chocolates. So my guilty pleasure is chocolates. If there's one thing that I could eat guilt free, if it was, then it would have been chocolate.
The last question that I would like to ask you on the rapid fire is, you need to be totally honest for this. What is it that you want to eat at night? What is your guilty pleasure when it comes to your midnight snacks?
Uh, but yes, there are ways and means to work around midnight snacks because see, let's understand one thing. When it comes to midnight snacks, it's because why do we feel hungry? It's important to understand that our sugar levels drop in the middle of the night. Okay, so to avoid that, you can actually have like a cup of milk before going to bed. So, see, what happens is if we have a longer gap between our last meal and our sleep time, chances are that our sugar levels in the middle of the night will just drop down. So, to avoid that, try having a cup of milk and sleep. So that's what I have started doing because I did have this issue, of snacking in the middle of the night, and trust me, it wasn't healthy. So I've started doing this, and it worked for me. So I will request everybody else, if you have, midnight cravings, try doing this trick, and it should work.
Wow. Thanks for sharing that. I'm sure it's super useful to a lot of people, including me. Thank you for sharing that. Shraddha, the last thing I would like to ask you on this podcast is, as a nutritionist and as a educator at Fit Educoach, what is the information, or rather, what is something that you would like to tell our audience?
I always believe in is fitness is not a destination. It's a journey. So today, if you feel that you've reached a stage where you know it all, it can never be true. You can never stop learning. There's always so much to learn. So I feel we should all remember that we don't know 100% of anything. That will always help us to learn more and become better in what we are doing. So it's a request to everybody, whoever is watching this podcast, please try, keep learning, keep growing. And if you want to learn more about nutrition, this is the course, Fitness Nutrition. We have developed the most extensive, well researched, scientific based course.
The ones who are not following us right now, make sure that you all are following us on Instagram, on Facebook. Show us some love, show the podcast some love, and we would get in touch with you with all your queries very soon. Thanks, Shraddha. It was wonderful chatting with you. I hope you had fun as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. Your questions were very interesting, and thank you for taking out time for this podcast.
Thanks, Shraddha. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.